Now we are looking at just the plain sums. How do we read this? 2 groups of 5. When we see times 5, we think, right, let's count in fives. How many times? 2. So I'm going to count 2 fives, 5, 10. Same again, groups of 5, skip times in 5, and I'm going to do it 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 times 11, oof, that's a bit difficult. But wait, we can swap these two numbers round. So if I swap them round, it would read 11 times 5. Let's count that now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that is 10 times 5. Add another 5, 55. If we have a missing number, we think, right, we can use the numbers that we've got. So we need to get to 35. We can count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I've got 7 fingers up, so it's 5 times 7. Exactly the same. I've got to get to 45 and I'm counting in fives, so let's use our fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I have got 9 fingers up.